Hey guys, I'm at Ditmar now. Sorry I missed the train that was in front earlier. But let's see what we got here. Ooh, what we got here? Oh, we got a winner here at CSX. 77. That sounded like Jackson. Man, that's what I wanted to see. Here, Yep, that was worth it. Northbound CSX 777 leading a gravel hopper car train at Dearborn Road and also Texas President Horn Show. Oh, you guys are you guys gotta catch him. You don't want to miss him. Bye bye.